This year marks both the 10th anniversary of the Belt and Road Initiative and the launch of China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. Pakistani Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif has said CPEC, now entering a new phase, will create more opportunities and connectivity.
Now we are entering the second phase of CPEC, which is even more interesting and extremely helpful in promoting investments, progress and prosperity in Pakistan and also in the region. And you have highlighted important areas of this second phase of CPEC, which is high quality development, which is growth corridor, special economic zones, livelihood corridor, innovation corridor, green corridor, and openness and connectivity. There is an effort, Your Excellency, to bypass Pakistan by some countries in this process of connectivity. And I have no doubts that Pakistan and China together will fill in the gap, and this corridor, which already has been established between North and South, will extend in many ways to include the entire region and also other parts of the world. And thank Chinese government and people for supporting us at this critical juncture, a difficult time. And we shall never forget this very kind generosity and favor of yours for all time to come.